People, that this is your boy D Dix. It's about 10 o'clock this morning. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm gonna try to vlog every day now. So hopefully a new video up every day. It's gonna be sometime in the evening, probably late. Probably, I don't know, about 7, anytime between 7 and 9. So I'm gonna try to daily vlog every day now. So let's do this. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and try to get my day started. Let's go. Okay guys, doing a concoction challenge with my boy Eugene and my brother Colby. I whipped up 6 ingredients and they gotta try it, and guess what's in it? There's 6 ingredients.
There's garlic in it.
No, there is no garlic. There is
smell.
no garlic.
Oh.
There is no garlic at all.
This isn't drink, this is a fucking paste.
No.
Yeah, because under this clear liquid, Dylan, it's a paste.
That's because there is a dairy substance in there.
I know, it's a fucking almond, almond shit.
There's a type of dairy. Yes.
Almond,
that is one. There is almond nog in it.
That shit's nasty, bro. It's almond dog.
Almond dog. Is there a ranch? Is there a ranch in there?
No, there is no ranch.
Dude, it smells like the ranch powder, dude.
No, it's like
Straight up smells like ranch powder.
I bet you pissed in it.
No, I did not
That's
piss
clear,
in it.
that's the clear stuff on top.
No, I did not. 100% no piss.
That just went viral.
Oh, you drank it first.
I already tried it.
If it didn't smell like that, dude.
Oh. Your face.
Yep, I know every ingredient in there. Guys, you got 1. You got 5 more to go. Shut it off.
There's no garlic in it.
No, there's no garlic.
Yeah, what are the chunks?
You gotta guess.
It's like it's garlic.
There's two things that you could guess what those black
Dude,
chunks
it's like
are.
oil and something.
No, there's no oil
What
in
the
it.
hell is the clear stuff then?
Guess.
It's not water.
No, it's not. There's no water in it. It's an oily substance
Oh, is it fucking
coming from a vegetable.
Olive oil.
No, there's no.
Is it that oil you have on top of the fridge?
No, it's not buttery oil.
You ain't puke.
Dude, it smells, dude.
You might know if you taste it.
I don't know if I want to do it.
I don't know if I want to taste it.
I did ask you guys if you like one thing.
Oh, you put sriracha in it?
No.
The almond nog.
No,
Yes,
you
it's
already
sriracha.
got almond nog in it.
Said sriracha.
I did not say sriracha.
What do you say?
There was one thing I asked you guys if you liked.
Sriracha.
No, I never said sriracha.
I said sriracha. You didn't ask us nothing.
I did ask you one thing.
No, you did. What was it?
Did you guys like? You both.
Ow!
The lighting's horrible in here.
Ow, dude.
Let's do a sip. I know, I tried to drink it too. I tried to...
Hey, so what's your guys' reaction?
Fuck you.
It's gross, dude.
So you got one thing. I asked you guys one thing, and you guys both said no.
The almond nog.
You already said that. There was one thing I asked if you guys liked during the mix.
What food category?
I don't think it's soy.
Soy.
It's made from out of soy.
Is it cheese?
No.
Holy
There's
cheese.
no cheese.
Oh shit! I forgot to put one thing in there.
Shit.
What?
So there's 7. You guys got 6 more.
Oh, what the fuck? You put milk in it?
No, I did not.
Oh, what the hell is it then?
I told you the only somewhat dairy substance is the almond nog.
I can't walk, dude.
Get him, Dylan.
Okay, guys, all the ingredients are right here.
You put the au jus in it.
Yeah.
There's au jus in it. And this shit.
What's au jus?
The bad stuff right here.
No, you did not.
I kind of broke it up and poured it in. There's a little bit.
Break it up, it's still whole.
Yeah, there's holes in it.
They've been holes.
Poke it.
Oh, okay.
So you got 2 out of 7.
And you put some of this in it.
No, I did not.
Did you not?
No. Nope.
Why is the sour cream open?
I did not do that.
Why is the sour cream open?
I don't know. I never even touched the sour cream. Like, dead honest, I did not.
No hot sauce. He didn't put hot sauce. It'd be different.
No, you'll still be hot sauce.
There's no hot sauce in it. I promise you. I have all the ingredients right there. There is coffee creamer in there.
Oh God!
So
what flavor? Butter toffee or
No,
dark?
it's gonna be this one.
it's not. Nope.
It's this one.
It's not.
Oh, it's that one?
It is chocolate raspberry.
Oh God, dude.
I forgot about that
You're
one,
fucking
but it's
disgusting.
on here. There is
You put
1,
this
2.
too.
I did not. You guys have 4 more.
You put this in it?
Nope.
It's
I
not
told
even open, dumbass.
there is no garlic in it, or you'd see chunks in there.
Chunks. There is chunks in there.
Not black. Yeah, black chunks.
They're green.
They're green? What
Yeah.
the hell? They were black when I was in here.
Just do some of it. Kobe, it's right here.
Where did you grab it?
It's right here. I'm burning the trash and coming up. Turn on light, got bad lighting. You're pointing out the roof anyway.
What was that?
Put
You
pepper.
were.
It's pepper.
There is no pepper in it.
There's no
What's
bucket.
black in there though?
Guess what's in the fridge?
There's nothing. Unless
Yes,
you,
there
Unless
is.
you burnt one of these and
No.
put it in it.
I told you.
Oh,
It's all in the fridge.
I just touched the end you stirred it with.
What does it smell like?
Oh.
No, don't do not.
What?
Well, I just touched the pie.
Oh, that's not even working.
It's shooken, yeah.
Why are you just shaking?
I didn't
Au
mean to.
jus in it.
You already guessed that.
Is that pie?
Yeah.
Is that pie you bought?
No. Nope.
Why?
Yeah, I put meat
Kobe,
in
you
there.
just gotta take a drink of it.
What's black in here? That's what I'm wondering.
It's funny how you're not even looking at the door.
There's no black solid things in here. Unless
There's
you
a
put
barbecue sauce in here.
Nope.
soy sauce.
There's one.
Oh,
That's what I
no.
asked.
He put soy sauce.
That's why it's
in.
weird.
You got 3 more.
Whatever this is,
Nope.
that's soy sauce.
It's warm. I did not.
It's what
It's
the fuck?
no, it's not warm.
What the hell are we warm?
It's warm to the soy sauce.
What? What do you mean, sriracha?
Nope. You already guessed sriracha. Nope. I did not put any lime juice. I did not.
No.
You already asked barbecue sauce. I did not. I did not. That's not even open.
That. You did not put
I
that
did
in.
not.
Okay, good.
Oh,
Did
this
it,
is what you put in there.
I did not. I dead honest did not.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
wait, smell it.
I did not. There's something. There's an ingredient in there that I put in.
Ugh.
That we-
Smells like it,
Yeah,
dude.
good.
Keep guessing.
Put my finger in it. It doesn't taste like anything.
Is everything that you put in it in the fridge?
Yes. Dead honest. Dead honest.
Actually, it doesn't taste that bad.
Is there any other
It
It's so
doesn't.
salty.
It is salty. What the heck? You put salt in it?
No, I did not. It's very
Kobe,
vinegary.
drink it. Doesn't taste that bad.
I don't want to drink it.
You guys got 3 more. And they're all in the fridge.
If you
Let's just
drink
say
it,
it-
are you gonna tell us?
He
Oh,
already
just
drank it.
dripped on me, dude.
I didn't drink it.
It's
I-
dripping.
I'll give you guys a hint. I'll give you guys one ingredient if Colby takes a drink.
Oh!
One ingredient. One more.
Put it in your mouth.
No, an actual drink. One little
I
sip.
feel like it's up.
One little sip like I did.
What's in that cup?
That's milk.
That's just water that we were gonna dump on you.
It's so funny in the bathroom.
We were gonna splash you when you were taking a crap.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Right on the clean dishes. Gee. These guys are idiots. It's funny how everything I put in there isn't even a solid.
What?
Nothing in there is a solid that I put in there.
What's in there?
How'd that taste? Gross! Okay. One ingredient I'll give you guys. Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, we got that.
Yeah.
No, you did not guess that.
That's soy sauce.
No, that's two opposite things. Look, here's a soy sauce. Here's a
You're so disgusting.
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
Soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. There's two more.
You put liquid ass.
Nope. I don't even have it in here. No, I don't. Yeah, it's in my GoPro container in my room.
Yeah, it's your GoPro. Oh, you fucking water.
There's two more.
What are they? You're so fucking gross.
I just pointed to it with the GoPro and Colby wasn't
You
paying
pointed
attention.
at the whole damn row.
No, I didn't. I pointed at one thing.
What's in it? You corner the wall.
Oh, I'll just cut that.
What is it?
Okay, one more.
Pico de gallo.
Peppercini sauce. Hey, juice.
What the fuck is that?
Peppercini
Where's
juice.
Peppercini.
It's not bad.
Then drink mine.
No! Mine's the same thing as yours!
It's gross, dude.
There's one more. There's one more.
Banana peppers.
Huh?
It was like banana peppers.
They're pepperoncinis. The same thing.
Called banana peppers.
Alright, Don, now you have to drink.
There's one more.
What?
It's on the same thing, same shelf
As what?
as the pepperoncinis. Nope.
I swear, if you put that in there.
I did not. I did not. I did not.
Because, Gene, look at this. This stuff's so old, dude.
Guys, it's sitting right in front of them.
This?
No.
This?
Dude, this
Nope.
stuff's so old, dude. Create.
Oh, you did not.
I did not put that in there. I did
This?
not. I did not.
Okay, good. What the fuck is it? Only thing is this.
No, there's one thing you guys haven't pulled.
This?
No.
Crouton.
No.
You said it's on the same shelf.
No, yes, a balsamic vinaigrette.
Oh, vinegar. That's what it was at.
Hey,
That's why.
make it a create you a drink now.
Okay.
Alright.
What's up? Sit your ass. You can't even see anything.
Okay, guys. Here's a sneak peek. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look.
Let me see it. Just let me see it. Shrink it down. What the fuck this is?
So,
What?
so we used this. And so.
Awesome.
Why did the cops get called?
They didn't.
Yeah, they did. Yeah,
Dude.
Andy.
Get off my phone. Yeah. Ooh, Kobe. Alright, we're back to Dylan. Here you go, Dylan. Fuck boy.
Not fuckboy.
Yeah.
YouTube friendly, bro.
YouTube friendly. Just blur it out then.
No. She's scared of the vlog. Ah. Woo. My dog's not a vlogger. It's all about that vlog life. So yeah, guys, just drop a comment down below if you want to see me. Drop a comment down below of what you want to see next. Let's do this.
Ready, Dewey?
So apparently I'm Dillweed now.
You ready?
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, God.
So what's in it?
I don't know.
Guys, look at this. Maya. Maya. What do you think? Maya.
We should have put it.
Maya, come here. Come here, Minty.
Oh, I should have.
Oh, that would have been good. There's obviously hot sauce in it.
Yeah, a little bit.
Exactly.
What kind of hot sauce?
Yeah.
That red shit grandma had. Yeah.
We use different stuff.
Wrong.
You have a lot of red shit in there.
Huh?
Dylan,
You have a lot of red shit.
we
in
use the stuff that what's her name brought? Valerie brought.
Oh, the organic jalapeno.
Yeah.
Is that one of them?
Yeah.
For real?
there. Drink it, yeah.
Dude, that smells spicy.
Hot
I
sauce. What do you expect?
hate spicy.
There's some surprises in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously there's jalapeno shit in there.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno what?
I don't know the
Whatever
actual.
you do, you can't pick up that towel.
Yeah, no.
That's the rules, Dylan.
What the fuck's in there?
That's the rules.
That's what we put in there.
That's our ingredients, bro.
What the fuck?
That's our 7 ingredients.
So,
7, yeah.
I'm supposed to guess them in there.
That's what I told him.
I think go back in. Go back in.
Go back in. We'll put
The
it back.
fuck? These guys are cheating. I let them see everything in the fridge. And if they don't put them in the right spot, I'll know. So let's do this. Stupid TV this. Let's do this thing. Okay.
What do you think?
I'm not drinking it yet. I probably won't- even won't.
You have to. We did.
We did.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, for a hint.
We still drunk it though.
Drunk it?
Drunk it.
I'm gonna drunk it.
Yeah, we still.
Alright, start guessing.
I already guessed this.
Yeah.
So guys, don't buy this fucking shit.
Especially couldn't read it so close to it.
Yeah.
There is sriracha in it.
Yes.
Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Easy. Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Sriracha. It did taste a little.
You didn't even taste
Yeah.
it.
I mean, smell. Using all 2 of my senses.
Are you recording me or you? Oh, you. Oh, I don't know. Alright, now it's me. Okay.
Juan Davis. What's up, G?
What's up, G? Are you like, oh my god. What's up, G?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's
Oh
up,
my
G?
god. Nope.
No?
Nope.
No.
What about in the fridge?
I'm guessing over here
Oh,
because
okay.
you guys don't look at this.
What is? How many things do you have?
2. There's 7.
Yeah.
This
There's-
stuff.
Nope.
No. There's what is it?
That.
Nope.
Nope.
That.
Nope.
That.
Nope.
That.
Dylan, you can't just guess everything in the fridge.
You guys did?
No, we
No,
did.
didn't.
We actually pulled it out.
Mm.
We have 1, 2, 3, 3 more things. in
Quit
the door.
looking for him, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom, right there.
Don't look for it, G.
I'm not.
That's why kind of give me a hint.
Nope.
Nope.
There's some chunks in there too, buddy.
Yeah, I kind of.
Here's.
You can't see the chunks.
They're on the bottom. I don't think they can see either.
Yeah, they.
What else?
I know.
I don't. I just forget one thing. Oh, then I know what it all is. Never mind.
No.
No, none of that. It was sour cream would be a little white.
It looks a little pasty. Like.
4 more things.
No.
No, not even close.
Is there any creamer in it?
No.
Okay. Milk?
No.
No.
No. That's no kind of milk.
No, it's not. There's no dairy in it.
It's almond milk.
All you.
No. Hell no.
Why not?
Yo.
4 more things. He's 3 things out.
3 more things.
Oh, you guys put 6?
Yeah.
No. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, we'll put 6. Because one of them's in the trash.
The kick raw sauce?
You're a dumbass, Kobe.
I should have guessed there's only 1.
What else is there?
So there's fucking Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Pizza.
Alright, fix that before it starts leaking.
Okay, I'm trying to guess. I'm trying to think because I don't want to taste it.
You kind of have to.
Yeah, you do.
What, to know what's
We
in
have-
it?
You have 3
No,
more
you
things
have
do.
to. Even if you guess it all.
Wrong. I said you guys have to drink it to get a hint.
Alright, so you have.
I'll wear it.
You
No,
have
you-
3, you have 3
You
more
have
things.
3 more things.
I know, I'm trying to
If
guess.
you wear it, it'll burn your damn skin. Dude.
Yeah.
Oh, gasoline.
No. Your camera was dead. It's always blinking on both sides red.
No, that's
Means
it's recording.
Oh, okay.
You think she can vlog? Okay, call now.
Y'all niggas, that's that shit I don't like.
Thank you guys for watching that, and I hope you drop a comment down below and smash that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm trying to daily vlog now, so let's do this.